backup camera.
Backup camera.
Fancy.
Oh no.
That,
Cool.
that's beautiful, isn't it?
Yes, it is. So where is it? What everybody needs to see all day long.
Okay.
Okay, now what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna mount it.
Just have to mount it, but it just has to be plugged in with this. That's all it is?
Where is Bong, by the way?
It's just a...
Yeah, it plugs in there. That's the power source.
Yeah.
Well, what about the screen? How do you get the screen over it? Oh, that part is wireless? Oh, okay. Gotcha. Alright, so you just have to mount this on the back of the bus.
This is the viewing screen.
Oh.
Don't go
Sorry.
under.
Okay, gotcha.
Just stay here. Alright. We'll leave that.
What's he doing? Can you see him in there?
Driving the bus?
Here, let's hand it to Aunt Jodi so we can film. Jodi, take the camera, turn it around, and show what he's doing.
Done now.
He's done now.
Done now. What did you do? I had to wire in 2 circuits.
Okay.
One for the backup camera and one for the
I'm driving the bus.
12 volt receptacle.
Driving the bus?
So,
Are you done? Hey.
okay. Let's go out.
Hey, whoops.
You are driving
Driving the
the bus.
bus.
Go outside.
This painting. What you got left? Can't have much left, do you?
I have to mount the rear camera.
Yeah. Okay.
Hey, no. Put those keys back. There you go. Good start.
You got some?
They're at home. You have some clock?
Sure, at home. 2 can play that game.
Right.
Jodi.
Should put some,
Now we gotta have that drill bit, Robin. That was over by your tool bench here by the saw.
drill bit for what? What size?
Drill bit. I'm gonna run this inside.
Gotcha. What did you do? Changing your mind?
That's the light. Okay. No.
Mm. Oh, is this the old non-working backup camera? This is the old camera not working?
Right. I had that going through there.
Does this come off? What is that?
That's the license plate light.
Oh.
I think I'm gonna go through here and I'm just gonna put a grommet in there. Once we have a smaller, we have a through the inside, I hope. Right behind her. And Jodi,
Hi.
right behind your storage cubby,
Container.
whatever it is.
Yeah.
There's a wire sticking out you need to plug in. What'd you do with that little screwdriver?
Back in the plastic bag.
In here? Oh, it's in the box. Let's see.
Or in the box. Alright, what am I doing?
Here. Take this here. It goes over the top of that. Up here. This is.
Okay. Alright.
That's it.
Okay. But now when we're hauling shit in and out.
It'll be put up.
Okay. Alright.
One step at a time.
One step.
Baby steps. Don't touch it.
That ain't gonna work.
That ain't gonna work. Put a little dab of Dooya in there.
Yeah. Little dab will do ya. You just cut off that old one. Where's the
Stand back here, Jodi. See if you can see my head to toe. The camera.
Where is it?
Yep. Yeah.
Let me see.
Yep. I give him the caca. Yes. Oh yeah. The height is perfectly fine.
Okay.
Go off to for a peripheral. See how far. If you would please.
Go back there and do a
Yeah,
jig.
smell it, dude, when you can see.
Oh, she did. She was giving you the caca.
Oh, should I phone him? Okay. Wait. Oh, hold on.
Hold a minute.
That's good. Tell him to answer his phone.
Answer your phone, she says. That's her. She'll tell you.
All right. So go. Which way are you looking? Go to your right more.
Go to your.
One more.
I'm in here, right in the middle of your lane, next to you.
Okay. Oh. Okay. It's perfect.
So I walk forward.
Yeah. Go toward the. Now go to your other way.
Let me know when I'm on site.
You're out of sight.
You're out of sight. Oh.
Now you're in. Now you're in. Now go to your left.
About 12, 15 feet back.
Okay, go to your left. Go to your left. Okay, now go towards the bumper.
Trying to program it.
Yep.
And then where is this gonna go? Will it reach her dash?
Yes. Yeah, it gets plugged in up there. It's just into a 12-volt cigarette lighter right now.
Okay, gotcha. Okay.
Oh, there it is, Jodi.
Got it? Oh, okay.
Oh, that's cool. It gives her what dimensions?
Let me walk into this, Jodi, or
Okay.
somebody, and I'll tell you where the green line and the blue and the yellow line and the red line are.
Okay.
So, I want to go out here, Robin. I want to stand on the outside right.
Tell me it's yellow.
Yellow.
Yeah, your yellow outside corner.
Your green outside corner.
Yeah, right there. Stop. He needs to go to his right a few feet.
Need to go to your right a few feet.
No, the other right.
The other right.
One more.
One more.
Half a quarter.
Half more.
Stop right there. Yeah.
Stop right there.
That's the corner of the green.
That's the corner of the green.
What did he say?
Mama painting, what you doing? Mama painting. It's Moni doesn't like to.
What?
Oh, why does he want you out there?
Oh.
No. Oh.
Eleanor?
Yeah, Savannah's got that all painted, this trim along here. So Jodi wanted this black, and because Jodi hates painting, that's what Savannah does, so it's a good match. Oh, and the inside you did too, a little bit?
Yeah, this is cabinet paint, so it's gonna give it an extra coating.
Okay.
It won't make the wood so rough since I think it's just rough pine.
It is, yes.
But yeah, it'll give it some extra coating, be a little cleaner or easier to clean,
Oh,
dust, all that good stuff.
yeah.
So yeah,
Fabulous.
and then later we can top coat it. Not today, I'll have to dry completely.
Yeah.
But then it'll be really easy to clean.
Oh, nice.
So
Candy lit.
That's really stinking cool.
It's mounted to a hole that was in the dash where the radio used to be. And there's the on and off button right here. It's a cigarette lighter.
Plugged into the incinerator.
GoPro, turn off. GoPro, turn off.
Scott, what did you say about this installation?
It was the easiest install I ever had.
There you go. So, what it is. Is that the name?
Yeah.
Whatever that is.
Three.
Yeah. Yeah. What did you pay for it about, Jodi?
$138.
It's about $138. And where'd you get it from?
Amazon.
Big surprise. All right. Yay. Okay, one thing done.